Let us know about these Bollywood stars who experienced ghosts in real life. Varun Dhawan. Varun Dhawan experienced ghosts in a hotel while shooting for ABCD 2. He said that the hotel he stayed at was a favorite of famous Hollywood celebrity Frank Sinatra. Varun also added that the doors of his suite opened automatically and he heard humming throughout the room at night. Kriti Sanon. During Kriti's film shoot, her makeup artist had a chilling experience in her hotel room. A bottle of body lotion mysteriously fell from the table, so the artist placed it back carefully. However, to their surprise, the bottle fell once again, even though the table was steady and there was no breeze. As the night progressed, the artist felt the sensation of being pushed, which left everyone feeling frightened and spooked out. Ranveer Singh. Ranveer experienced ghosts during the shooting of Bajirao Mastani. He said, while shooting at Shaniwar Wada, he felt the presence of Bajirao himself. Ranveer shared his experience of witnessing the shadowy figure of Bajirao. Rajkumar Rao. Rajkumar Rao had a scary experience while filming the movie Stree. He mentioned that during the shooting at a particular location, a member of the lighting crew fell from a height and claimed that someone has pushed him. This incident occurred around 2:30 am and it frightened everyone present on the set. Imran Hashmi. Imran went to Matheran with friends for a vacation once. They stayed at a hotel where no one else was present except them. However, they heard shrieking voices and screaming at night. They tried to locate the source of the voice but found nothing. The eerie screams disturbed them throughout the night. Govinda. Govinda experienced something eerie while shooting in the mountains. He was sleeping in his hotel room when he woke up and saw a lady sitting on his chest. Another day, he woke up and noticed that his room was dirty. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Nawazuddin experienced ghosts during the shooting of the film. Several eerie incidents occurred on the set during the shooting. During one scene, the cast and crew heard the voice of a woman singing, but when they checked the recording, there was no such voice. Another incident happened when a photo frame fell from the wall without any reason and broke into pieces. Taapsee Pannu. Taapsee shared a spooky experience she had while staying alone in a hotel room at Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad. The hotel was said to be haunted and Taapsee has heard stories about it. While in her room, she started hearing footsteps echoing around her, which made her feel frightened and gave her chills. Bipasha Basu. Bipasha felt something odd while shooting for Gunah at Mukesh Mill in Mumbai. Additionally, one of her co-actresses behaved oddly during the shooting and had to be admitted to the hospital. Unfortunately, she passed away there. Soha Ali Khan. During the shooting of a film, Soha and Mahi Gill experienced something uncanny. They heard loud noises coming from an empty room, which frightened them so much that they left the set without finishing the shooting.